Good deal on that. So I was going to use the vinyl Casper sticker, because where my car's named Casper. It's a black, obviously, you know, it's just a... But I was going to use the Casper logo and put on there. Or the vinyl sticker, rather. But where it says Casper here and then MOPAR there, I think it kind of conflicts with one another, you know. But anyway, I like that better anyway. Alright, here's the one I got first. Although the MOPAR here, it's not stainless steel like this one. It's just silver. But there's an inch difference between this one and that one. Because this one's like a 9 by a little over 9. Yeah, so 7 tall. And just a fuzz over, just a skosh over 9. So it's like, we'll just say 9 and we'll say 9.5, which is not really, but we'll say 9.5. Whereas this one is 9 tall and 11 wide. It's like maybe 11.25, 11.25 wide. Although this would still look good, don't get me wrong. You know, put it in your trunk or wherever. It would still look good. But I'll just put this one in the wife's Challenger. She's got the V6, I got the V8. I mean, it's a standard RT. This one here, but outside of that though, trunk lid, it comes in 2 pieces. It comes in this little top section and this one here. I'm just out here at the car. I'm wiping everything down, preparing everything for the car show. And this here's the trunk. It's got the brushed stainless steel trunk lid with a MOPAR design logo with the stainless steel MOPAR. And there, all this parts was coming from American Car Craft. And like I said, I've just been wiping her down. And here's everything I got. I got the false firewall back there. It's polished stainless. I got the extensions on either side. Shock covers, water tank cover, the RT logo, perforated plenum cover, fuel rails, brake line, and then the perforated hood extensions. And like I said, I've just been wiping everything down, just prepping it up. I missed the last car show because my parts come in 1 day late. Everything come in with the exception of the plenum cover here. It was a day late, so I didn't make it to the car show. So I missed out on that one. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna bounce up out of here. I just figured I'd show you the Challenger and what all I've been doing to it for the past year.